Let's get this thing crunk. 369, damn fine. Just sing it to me one more time. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the wall, to the wall. To the sweat drop down and fall. Tell me all these females crawl. Skeet, 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 skeet. Skeet, skeet, got, I got. Skeet, 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 skeet. Skeet, skeet, got, I got. Solid crook, so fresh, so clean. Can she cut that question been harassing me in the mind? This girl is fine. I done came to the club out 50 limb down. Can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guard gonna swing me now. Play a drunk, man, I'm mug. Threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. And then I like to see the female twerking. Taking her clothes off, ooh she naked. ATL, sorry don't disrespect him. I put a pop your thing like this, cause you ain't twinning it's P.I. Lil Jon and the East Side boys with me. And we all like to see Chico business. So bring yourself over here, girl, and let me see you get low. If you want this dude, now take it to the floor.
To the floor.
But if you wanna act, you can keep yourself where you at.
369.